Hi, it's Gary here from Koozai, and today I'm just going to walk you through adding a user into your Google Tag Manager account. So first you need to navigate to your Tag Manager account and go to the admin section. So we've just got a sample account here, and you click on user management, and you'll see just one email in there at the moment. But to add another, you just click on the blue plus up here and add user. And I'll just add my work email address to show you how to do it, and that'll come up. And I'll also make it an admin as well. Now for this, there's container permissions bit as well, which can trip some people up, because if I just add this now, I'll gain access, but I won't be able to change anything. So if you go to your container permissions, you can see here you want to make it so I can actually edit, approve, and publish containers as well. So I'll tick all those, click done, click invite, and you'll see this refreshes, and there's a notification come through saying I've just got access. So I'll just switch over to my account here. And once it refreshes, it will show, there we go, the account. Because I've already done this before and then I removed it. But if it's your first time doing it, you'll get a little box just above here saying you've got an invitation, so you just go in and accept it. So yeah, it's as simple as that, really. If you skip over the section where I just showed you with the container permissions, you can edit that from within here. So if you hadn't ticked those boxes, you wouldn't be able to see submit. But if you go to the admin within the email which you've just been given access to, you can see your user management here. And then just click on it, and again, I can see my container permissions. And if I hadn't ticked them off before I added me as a user, it would look just like that. So sometimes you just get permission, but you can't actually do anything. So you just need to enable edit, approve, and publish permissions, and then just save. And then you'll be good to go. So you can go back to your workspace, and you can see all your tags, triggers, variables, and preview and submit up there. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.